guys, it's Rinarose here, and we have Pee-wee, and then we have striking popping candy, and we have some
Clover chips.
Clover chips.
What you gonna do now?
We're gonna try these.
Okay. Which one you gonna do first?
This one.
No.
Oh, hold on, that one.
Then you need to comment on is it good or not. Huh? You need to show. You need to show the what it looks like first. Where is it? What's the flavor?
Tastes like cheese and barbecue.
Okay, show it. Show. It's like a pizza.
I know.
Is it a Filipino chips?
Yeah, it is.
Where did you buy those?
Island Pacific.
Okay. Oh, now you need to comment on it. Try it again and then comment on it.
It tastes like a cheese pizza and a barbecue.
Okay. How about the next one? Clover chips. The clover chips. The clover chips.
Yeah, this one.
Show it. Show it.
Ah! Looks like a clover piece.
Okay. Show your face when you're eating. You need to show your yummy face.
Tastes like tastes like cheese.
And then, so far is it thumbs up? Both of them? Okay, let's try this one. You need to show it. What is that? What's the flavor?
Watermelon.
Okay. Can you open it?
Yeah, I think so. How should I?
Give me. So you need to tell your subscribers first.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
Let me go try one. Hold on. Need to open it.
Show it. Show it. Okay. Can you open that one? It's like a pop rocks.
Yeah, it's like a pop rock. They pop in your mouth. I'll show you guys. Gimme! Gimme! Gimme my baby.
Okay. Show it on your mouth. Is it yummy? So this is Rinarose food review. What you gonna say?
Thank you for watching. Bye.
And what they need to do?
Subscribe to my channel. Give a like.